Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can stretch your videos horizontally or vertically on CapCut PC. You are going to grab your video and you're just going to select it and drag it to your timeline. It can also be a photo. And in this tab right here, you can see the uniform scale is enabled. You're going to disable that to stretch it out. You can stretch it to the, move the slider to the right to stretch it up like this, like stretch the height, or you can move it to the left to squeeze it. To bring it back to its original scale, just double click on the scale height here. And you can also do it with the width. You can stretch it out like this, or you can make it like super squeezed in like that. And again, you can double click it. You can also stretch both as like I'm doing right now. And for instance, you want to like scale it again with the uniform scale to fit the canvas here. You can enable it again, and then you can scale it normally. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!